Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best 3 alternative software for Photoshop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and which editing software you like you most, don't miss to comment below. So our number third free alternative Photoshop software is GIMP. GIMP is a giant. He is big, powerful, and completely free. At first, he looks scary, but once you learn him, he can do amazing things. He can edit photos deeply, add effect, do almost everything Photoshop can. Why people love him? It's 100% free forever, no company controls him, many helpers make him stronger. And the best magic power is very powerful tools without paying any money. Good for people who want to power and ready to learn slowly. Our number 2 is Photopea. Well, someone say it's Photopea, but it's officially recognized by the creator. Its right pronunciation is Photopea. Photopea lives inside the internet. You don't need to install him, just open a website and he wakes up. He can open Photoshop files, edit pictures online, work on school or office computers. Why he is special? Works on any computer, looks almost the same as Photoshop. Free and super easy to use, and the best magic power, it's open Photoshop files directly in your browser. Good for students, beginners, and anyone who wants to quick edits anywhere. Our number 1 is Affinity Photo. Well, Affinity Photo is powered by Adobe. In the beginning, it was a paid photo editing software, but after collaboration with Canva, it's now free for everyone. Affinity Photo is like a smart big brother who learned all the tricks from Photoshop. He can fix photos, change colors, cut, paste, and paint like a pro. Why people like him more than Photoshop? He does not ask for monthly money. He works very fast. He understands Photoshop files. Best magic power is very strong tools for fixing photos just like Photoshop. Good for people who want to work like professional but hate subscriptions. These are the all 3 best alternative software for Photoshop.